Namo Namaha, myself Ms. Shamal from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Students, today we are going to study Pitru Bhaktah Nachiketah. Pitru Bhaktah Nachiketah. Nachiketa, who was devoted to the father. Pitru Bhaktah means who was devoted to the father. वेदः ब्राह्मणः आरण्यकः उपनिषदः इति वेदवाङ्मय परंपरा वर्तते. Our ancient Vedic literature comprises of the Vedas, Brahmanas, Aryanyakas and Upanishad. एतस्यां परंपरायां प्रमुखाः दश उपनिषदः ख्याताः. There are several Upanishads. From that, 10 of them are considered the main ones. उपनिषत्सु तत्वज्ञान चर्चा निरूपणं वर्तते. The Upanishads are not just a collection of philosophical concepts, but rich treasures of knowledge. Through Upanishad, obsolete values can be instilled as they contain many simple yet thought-provoking stories. Upanishadsu Anyatama Kathopanishad. One of 10 main Upanishad is Kathopanishad. Kathopanishadः उद्धृता यम-नचिकेतसोः कथा. The story presented here is a part of the famous dialogue between Yama and Nachiketa from the Kathopanishad. Nachiketa was a young, intelligent lad who tried to prevent his father Vajrashrava from committing a sin. Let's see the story. वाजश्रवः नाम दानपरः ब्राह्मणः आसीत् लङ्लकार. दानपरः चैरिटेबल, ब्राह्मणः ब्राह्मण. देयर वाज चैरिटेबल ब्राह्मण नेम वाजश्रवा. एकदा सः विश्वजित यज्ञम् अकरोत् अगेन लङ्लकार. वन्स एकदा मीन्स वन्स. सः ही अकरोत् परफॉर्म. वन्स ही परफॉर्म Vishwajit Yajnam. Yajnam means sacrifice. Once he performed the Vishwajit sacrifice. Samapte Yajne Saha Brahmanebhyah Dakshinam Ayachat Langlakar. Samapte Yajne. When the sacrifice was Samapte over. When the sacrifice was over, Saha Ayachat. He gave Dakshinam. He gave donation Brahmanebhyah to the Brahmins. When the sacrifice was over, he gave donation to the Brahmins. Dakshinayam sarvada priyam vastu yachet iti niyamah. Iti niyamah, the rule. Niyam means rule. The rule is sarvada priyam vastu. Whatever is the most dear thing should be donated. Dakshinayam should be yachet, should be donated. Yachet vidiling lakar. The rule is that iti niyamah. The rule is that whatever sarvada priyam vastu, whatever is the most dearer thing, yachet dakshinayam, should be donated. किंतु पिता वाजश्रवः तु दक्षिणारूपेण दुग्धदाने असमर्थः दुर्लभः वृद्धः च धेनुः अयच्छत्. किंतु but Pita Vajrashrava, father Vajrashrava, but the father Vajrashrava to Ayachat, gave. Ayachat means gave. Vruddhaha, old. Durlabhaha, Durbalaha, old and weak. Denuhu, cow. Old and weak cows. But father Vajrashrava gave old and weak cows. Dugdhadane asamarthaha, which were asamartha, unable, which were unable to give milk, dakshina rupena, in the form of donation, but father Vajrashrava gave old and weak cows which were unable to give milk in the form of donation. Tasya putraha Nachiketah tad apashyat. Tasya putraha, his son Nachiketa, tad apashyat, saw that and असमीचीन दानेन पिता मे नरकं गमिष्यति इति भीत्या सः पितरम् अपृच्छत् इति भीत्या एंड ड्यू टू द फियर इति भीत्या ड्यू टू द फियर दैट his father pita his father may went in hell, his father might attain hell, or his father may went in hell on account of asimich danena, because of improper donation or on account of improper donation. Sah pitaram aprushat, he asked his father, pitah kim tava ativ priyam, pitah, oh father, kim tava, what is most dear to you, what is most dear to you. Jhatiti pita avadat, jhatiti present tense, lat lakar immediately, the father immediately answered, vasya tvameva mama priyatamah, vasya, oh child, tvam eva mama priyatamah, you are dear to one, you are dear to me. Mama means me, you are dear to me. Jhatiti means immediately the father answered, oh child, you are dear to me. नचिकेतः पुनः अपृच्छत् तर्हि मां कस्मै दास्यति भवान्. नचिकेतः पुनः अपृच्छत्, नचिकेत आस्क अगेन, अपृच्छत् लंगलकर, नचिकेत आस्क अगेन, तर्हि देन मां कस्मै, कस्मै whom, मां कस्मै दास्यति, दास्यति रीड लकार फ्यूचर टेंस, देन whom will you give me to, then whom will you give me to. वाजश्रवसा किमपि उत्तरं न दत्तं, वाजश्रवा किमपि उत्तरं न दत्तं, दत्तं did not give any answer. द्विवारं त्रिवारं नचिकेतसा तदेव पृष्ठं आस्क, नचिकेत आस्क तदेव सेम क्वेश्चन, नचिकेत आस्क सेम क्वेश्चन द्विवारं त्रिवारं 2-3 times, again and again, 2-3 times, again and again. Nachiketa asked same question 2-3 times, again and again. तदा क्रुद्धः भूत्वा पिता नचिकेतसम् अहं त्वां मृत्यवे ददामि इति अवदत्. तदा then the father who was angry, said to Nachiketa, aham tvam, I will mrityuva dadami, I will give you to death, dadami let lakar present tense. पिता क्रोधावेशे एवं उक्तवान् इति नचिकेतः अजानात् लंगलकार, नचिकेत न्यू that, नचिकेतः नचिकेत knew that पिता father एवं उक्तवान् said this, father said this due to his anger, क्रोधावेशे due to anger. तथापि पितुः आदेशपालनार्थं सः यमपुरम् अगच्छत्. तथापि then सः यमपुरम् अगच्छत् went लंगलकार. Then he went to the Yamapuram, abode of Yama, or the Yamanagaram. He went to the Yamanagar of Yama, Adesha Palanartham, to follow his father's order. Nachiketa knew that the father said this due to anger. Yet he went to the abode of Yama, to the Yamanagar of Yama, to follow his father's order. Yamapure Yamah anupasthitah. Yama was not there in the Yamapura. Anupasthitah, not there. Yam was not there in Yamapura. Balah Nachiketah tatraiva त्रीणि दिनानि यावत्. Balah young, the young Nachiketa, tatraiva, stay there itself for 3 days. Young Nachiketa stay there itself for 3 days. किमपि अभुक्त्वा अपित्वा विदाउट ईटिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग. भुक्त्वा अपित्वा त्वान्तव्ये विदाउट ईटिंग और ड्रिंकिंग यमस्य प्रतीक्षाम् अकरोत्. विदाउट ईटिंग और ड्रिंकिंग एनीथिंग वेटिंग फॉर यम. यमस्य प्रतीक्षां वेटिंग फॉर यम. Young Nachiketa stay there itself for 3 days without eating or drinking anything, waiting for Yama. Students, the next para we will see in the next video. धन्यवादः.